Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Trade Confident. We're going to go over Dogecoin today. Dogecoin has one of the most bullish patterns that I can see on crypto this morning. I've been looking through all these this morning. I'm like, man, I'm looking through ADA, looking through everything. I'm like, what should I talk about this morning? I feel like Dogecoin is the guy. This thing is due for an explosion over here, and I'm going to show you guys the patterns of how this has played out in the past, but this is very, very bullish. Let's go over this real quick, guys. We're currently sitting at 110 wins and 0 losses. Never lost a crypto trade. AVAX is probably going to be our next trade, so we took a 7.21% profit on 50% of that trade, and then we took another 2.83%. And so I'll show you guys how to get into the Telegram channel. The links are below. Basically, just join the family, access the metrics, Telegram, all that. I'll show you guys how to access that in a second here. Let's take a look at this. This is what's called a descending triangle pattern. I know there's a lot of different names that people like to call them, but this is one of the most bullish patterns in crypto you can ever find. It means that there's actually a pretty sustained support that the price is bouncing off of here, but it also means that the price continues to head back down. And what this does is it creates a pressure point. And this pressure point here usually breaks to the upside. Okay, take a look at past here, because I don't want to just say that. I want to show this to you guys what it looks like. Take a look at the support here. You have a descending resistance. When it breaks out, this thing goes very, very fast. This actually moved up to about 50% of the previous high trend, okay? A 50% reversal, not bad. This time over here, when Dogecoin had the exact same pattern, it followed it all the way down here until it broke very strongly, and then it was a fast move back up. These are not small moves up when this happens. So I want to prepare you guys in this video, and for those of you guys who have money in Dogecoin, that we could be seeing a very nice and fast move up here. It's nothing slow happens when this pattern has been on the charts. And I could technically just pull this other one real quick for you guys so you can see this. This other one here, like fast moves happen. So what's the best thing to do right now in Dogecoin? I really do think it's actually time, if you guys have not, to get money in the market and then also just be patient. I currently have money in Dogecoin. I'm currently sitting at the third highest coin here at $10,800 in here. Let's refresh the charts here this morning and see what we're sitting at. $150,000 is break even for us. So let's see what this looks like. 119,915, not bad at all. A very, very healthy account in a bear market right now. Very healthy. Most accounts are still down between 50 to 60%, maybe even more this morning, and we're doing very well at 120,000 out of 150. Okay, let's take a look at this now. The trend dashboard here is all red here, showing me that retail trader indicators are absolutely just selling. That's what they're showing people to do today. Now, when this happens, I really do believe this is the best place to be buying, and that's what we've done in the past. We still have 2 other buy limits down here that we can snag Dogecoin if this does end up dropping back down, but I have this feeling that we're going to probably see this bounce back up. Can we pause real quick and let us look at the global markets here? Let's look at the VUG. The Vanguard Growth ETF is what I use to track the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ, okay? Even the Dow Jones as well, okay? What we're seeing here is a super fast drop in the market. We were calling this out in the videos. It wasn't like a hard call. It was just basically looking at the descending resistance here, and we had a third touch over here, third, fourth, fifth, I don't know, probably a fourth touch, and we're looking for the move down. This is one of the fastest moves down I've ever seen on the Vanguard Growth ETF. Tracking the biggest companies in the world, okay? This, however, really likes to support and resistances. So at this level here, we need to watch today, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for a really nice rebound back up. Okay, if it doesn't get a rebound, guys, the S&P 500, now these other markets are going to be pushing down even further to support here, and that's going to get some people nervous in their accounts, and they're going to start pushing to 70 and 75% down in their accounts, because we know people who are down already 65%, because we've got traders who are saying they're up $12,000 while their friends are down 65%, and that's how we're kind of understanding this. Okay, and it's just easy if you pull a high to the low percentage. All right, let's continue here with Dogecoin though. But if that bounces back up, so let's play this out. If the VUG bounces back up and actually gets Dogecoin to bounce above here, you don't think there's eyes on Dogecoin right now, guys? Watching this descending resistance, that they're going to come in here and buy this and could actually start rallying crypto like crazy? This pattern is playing out on a lot of altcoins right now. So watch this. Now watch this down here. Price for swell money flow and trend exhaustion, okay? When you guys see this push up in the top red section and the well money flow is high, you need to be watching for drops. We call this so many times, and it is the most accurate 2 indicators you guys can put on your charts to call the tops and bottoms of crypto. This is why a lot of people scalp with our indicators, and they are doing very, very well, okay? When we saw this get down to the bottom red section here, and we saw well money flow low, guys, this is where we're looking for this turnaround back up into the market. So this, in my opinion, is bullish. Let's take a look at the metrics now, and let's go over this. Let me show you how to access this really quick so you guys can figure this out. Tradeconfident.io, the link's in the description. Here's your guys' fee. Just $95 a month, guys. We should be charging like hundreds of dollars for this. Access all the metrics. You guys will also access the Telegram channel, the masterclass videos. And guys, we are actually going live in literally 2 days on a Zoom call with you guys. We're allowing, because of Zoom's limitations, we're allowing the first 1,000 people in. Like, it's actually quite a bit of people. It's actually a lot of people. So we're going to be opening that up, and I'll send you guys a Telegram link for all of you guys who have membership here. I'm going to get on camera with you guys. We'll do a live session, talk about the markets a little bit, and then I'm going to open up to a Q&A session for the crowd, and we're going to do about an hour, and we'll see what kind of happens with that. But it's going to be a blast. So anyways, guys, that's coming in 2 days. So as long as you guys have a membership, you guys will be able to access that in the Telegram channel, and then I'll link it over here to actually the Inner Circle Hangout. Sorry, I'm taking a little while on this, but on March 10th, this is in a couple days, 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and I'll be recording this, so I'll just put the recording down here so you guys can see the pending recording. That's going to be in a couple days. Okay, let's go over the actual metrics and give ourselves some data here. Let's go down to Dogecoin, but you guys can access this data for all the coins here. Okay, Dogecoin has been pushing up into this excited area. And when this gets excited, guys, this is where we're looking for moves back down. So I want to say this, guys, great job for all my scalpers out there who are shorting. Oh, we don't short, we just take long trades on this channel. And plus, it's kind of hard to short in the US without like using a VPN. And I don't like using that. But what you guys can do is when you push up into the excited area emotionally, and you come over here and the exact same time you see trend exhaustion high and well money flow high, very, very good times to short back down. You can use the indicators, that's fine, but if you use the metrics, you're going to be so much more accurate. And I just recorded a masterclass on this underneath the masterclasses. If you guys seriously want to make more money, I know you have a bunch of people you're going to watch on YouTube. You clicked on the thumbnail, you're brand new. I get that. Do yourself a favor, guys. Like, this masterclass of scalping is really, really good. I know it's hard to be like, oh, because you made it, you're going to say that. But really, guys, we use the metrics as confirmation as well as the indicators. And it is our number one compliment, or I guess you could say testimonial we get, is people scalping with our indicators. It is the number one testimonial too. It's crazy, like tens of thousands we're talking about, okay? Let's take a look at this here. We're looking at long for short trades over here on the blockchain for Bitfinex. Short trades are moving out, guys. Short trades are moving out while the price is going down, okay? This kind of makes sense. People are nervous that they think the price is going to keep going further down, but long trades are staying the same and they're holding relatively steady here. I think long trades haven't dropped out much because people see this descending resistance, and you don't know if it's going to break here. You don't know if it's going to break there. You don't know if it's going to break here or over here. Nobody knows. Don't let people try to convince you guys of like, oh, it's going to exactly happen at this point. Like, we're all speculating, okay? We're all speculating to see what happens, which is why it always has to come back down to risk management. It is the only thing you can control is your risk management. You can't control the markets. You can't. You can only try to predict them at max 80 to 85% accuracy, okay? The only thing you have 100% control over is your risk management. That's why we teach it so strong on this channel, and we have never lost a trade. Once we started mastering risk management, we never lost a crypto trade, and now we're at 110 wins in a row. Okay, take a look at this for Dogecoin, guys. Market cap is completely dropping out of Dogecoin. Where is it going? It's going to Bitcoin, guys. It's going to Bitcoin, and it's going to stablecoins. Dun, dun, dun. Let's go over to the market cap. Let's take a look at this, guys. Stablecoin Tether and USDC, 3 and 5. When's the last time you guys saw 2 stablecoins in the top 5? Well, this is because everybody's freaking out and they're nervous and they don't know if crypto is going to keep crashing. So they shoved all their money, most of all their money, into these stables. And arguably, you could say BNB is actually somewhat of a stablecoin as well. Okay, and then you've got the big boys at the top. So when you've got a stablecoin, you know, at third position up here, it's not going to pass Ethereum, but like, it's kind of crazy that we're up here this high. It's just, this tells me fearfulness is in the market, and people are not, they're not thinking anything's going to happen anytime soon. When you actually start seeing Tether and USDC move out of the top 10, that is when the markets are going to become incredibly bullish because they're going to take their money out. When this starts moving back up, guys, that's when Dogecoin is going to explode. But I think this is time to get your money into Doge. I really do believe this, guys. All right, trades in favor. Pushing down here to a good long trade over here, guys. Since this is in a good long trade section right here, and you come down here and you start seeing wells accumulate long trades, here's what you guys can look for. This is an incredible scalping opportunity if you guys want to get in here. What you can see is when this is down in a good long trade, and you guys see that the well and institutional smart money is buying up right now because they're buying the dip, guys. What you want to do is you want to come down here and look for these entries of where you see the trend exhaustion low and well money flow low. Okay, guys? That puts you right around this area. These are the scalping positions you want to get into. You are following smart money. You are following the trades in the favor. You are also following even the emotional index where you actually want to the emotional index could be down a little bit further. But let's look at this. Trades in favor is looking like a good long trade. Institutional long trades, institutional and smart money, this is looking for long trades. This is a way to scalp this market, guys. I don't think Dogecoin's going to head down too much further. As far as the support, guys, 10.67, so 10 cents right down here is the next support. So yeah, we could head down here a little bit further, but honestly, guys, talking about the VUG that we talked about, the Vanguard Growth ETF, that's at a super strong support, and I do think we could see the market start pushing back up here. Like most of the markets actually are up today, so it's not looking too bad, and I'm just watching for this guy right over here to start bouncing back up. Taking a look at the futures here real quick, the futures are tanking as well, but even this is getting close to a support, and in this area, I do believe we're going to see a bounce back up. So guys, it's just a matter of patience. Really, it just is patience. Patience. That's all you guys got to have. Patience. Look at this dollar cost average entry that you guys got a signal on. This literally just came out yesterday. Absolutely ridiculous. Those of you guys who are buying in Dogecoin and you've been following us and you've been dollar cost averaging down with this single metric, you are doing very, very well. We use 4 different buy limits on every single order we enter and then we exit. But I'm just letting you guys know, here's another metric you can use if you guys want to just place, $1,000 in every single time you get a green line. That is an incredible entry there. This is going to show us one more metric here, and I'll show you guys a trade setup here. This is what's showing us how we actually exit trades. Okay. So the next time Dogecoin actually starts moving up, we're going to watch this metric. You're going to watch this metric to see, are we going to exit in the profit here? We're going to be looking for this next move back up here. Okay. So those of you guys who know, we entered in about $49,000 into the market right around this area over here. So when this thing goes back up, a lot of our traders are going to do extremely, extremely well. Okay. We're looking at, secretly, I'm kind of hoping Dogecoin goes down to our 3rd buy limit because our break-even entry will come down probably to here and it'll be a super good break-even entry. But if it doesn't, that's okay. We're just going to hold this into the profit, and I'll show you guys how to stay patient on this channel. We are the healthiest crypto channel I can find because we use good risk management, and now you guys can trade like that. So let me show you that. Scroll down here for the Dogecoin trade, but let's go over here. Let's go to the menu bar. Let's go to crypto charts and let's click on Bitcoin and let's go all the way down to the bottom. I'll teach you guys how to trade this. All right. Here's what you guys are going to do. You're going to see 4 different buy limits, 1 green sell limit. And then you literally pretend they're sitting right here like this on this. Those aren't the prices, but pretend this. Choose the amount that you want to enter this trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions, $250, okay? Place $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow. So 250, 250, 250, 250 at those prices, okay? Once your first buy limit is hit, you're going to set up a sell limit in green for 100% exit. So you've got your 4 buy limits in here, right? And then you've got your sell limit up here. Once your first buy limit is hit, you're setting up a sell limit up here in case we explode and move up really fast. Now, in the meantime, I will be calling out exits for all of you guys in our channel. This is basically like you set it up, I'll do the rest of the work for you pretty much. I'm not a financial advisor. This is what I'm doing. I've got, 150,000 on the line, so I'm not going to mess this up. I'm making money, guys, and I'm keeping it safe too. Okay. Sign into Telegram on your phone or your computer and then click this link here. And then you guys will be able to get into the Telegram channel where I'm calling all of these exits for us. Okay. Last but not least, guys, is the indicators. You want to have this if you're going to be scalping or following us on our exit calls. Okay. It is these 2 down here. These are the main ones that you guys want. This and the trend dashboard if you want to copy all my charts. We have a sale going on right now that you guys can have these 3 if you put in coupon code. Listen carefully. Coupon code SAVE MONEY. You're going to get 40% off. If you get the bundle pack, we have this discounted to 82% off, so you're going to get 42% extra off. You're pretty much paying the exact same price for these 3, but you're going to get the bundle pack, and this will give you guys literally the craziest deal we have. This is pretty much like a Black Friday sale, okay? So make sure you guys don't miss this. This is a very good deal you guys can have. You guys can scalp with these, as well as we're also going to be using these to call exits on all of our trades. Every single one of our 110 wins that we've exited have been called with these indicators. And our exits, I would say, without being arrogant here, they are very good exits. We call exits and then the market drops almost all the time. I would say, honestly, we're probably up to around 93-4% of the time. When we call an exit, we see a drop right after because we're using these specifically to call market drops. And a lot of you guys who have watched the testimonials, even on the front page, you guys will see that people talk about the indicators a lot and they're making really good money. So guys, this is a one-time purchase. You get the source code for life. You guys are not just getting access to an indicator. You're literally getting the source code. And in the download, I give you a video to show you how to add it to your TradingView chart. So you guys literally get them for life. It's not a it's not a monthly purchase. It's just a one-time purchase. So make sure you guys set that up. All right, guys, as far as Dogecoin, I'm looking for this move back up. It's just a bullish move here. And I really do think, guys, if we can get the S&P 500 and these other markets to start bouncing back up here from this support here, this is going to push Dogecoin into, it's going to push it into, I don't know, breakout territory. I guess that's the best thing we can call it. A descending resistance. This is breakout territory. How high are we going to go? I think a 50% retracement back up, and I should have done this in the video, beginning of the video, but I think a move back up here at least a 50% retracement is absolutely possible by the second quarter. And I know second quarter seems like a long time away, but I think 20 cents is absolutely a reasonable place we could see Dogecoin push back up to, which if this does move back up here is going to push us, let's not go the price here, let's go from an actual breakout. It's going to push us right around this level. Let me get it exactly about 20 cents, about 58% on this trade. For everybody getting in right now, that's about a 58% profit. If you guys are waiting until I exit the market, which I'm going to be exiting up here, you guys are going to do crazy. And I know it's like, wow, that's a long wait. I don't think it's going to be as long as you guys think. It's going to be about 133% profit to look. We're going to look at an exit up here for this structure high. But if you guys just get in and hold for when I call a Telegram exit, you're going to do about 133%. I am actually bought in down here, so I'm going to be holding as well, and I'm going to be doing 133%. So if you want to join us, come join us, all right? So guys, everything is in the description. The membership is over there. Have an amazing, amazing day, guys. This is really awesome. Come over here and join us on the live Zoom call in 2 days. We're going to be going over that. The indicators are in the description. Have a blast, guys, scalping the markets using our strategy. We've never lost a trade, and I'll keep you guys updated for the next win, which is most likely going to be on Avalanche that I talked about yesterday. All right, guys, God bless you. We'll see you later. Membership and indicator links are in the description. I pinned it to the first comment of this video. Set them up, guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.